Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Zombies on your browser. We will explore various methods, starting with understanding that official Call of Duty Zombies titles are not natively playable in a web browser. Instead, we will delve into cloud gaming services that stream the full game to your browser, and also look at fan-made browser games that capture the essence of the zombie survival experience. This guide will help you find the best way to enjoy zombie action online. Cloud gaming offers the most authentic Call of Duty Zombies experience directly through your web browser. Platforms such as GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the full game, bypassing the need for powerful local hardware. You will need a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or more, and a subscription to the service. A compatible controller or keyboard and mouse setup is also essential for optimal gameplay. If you are looking for a free, more casual experience, numerous fan-made browser games offer a similar zombie survival thrill. These games often feature wave-based combat, weapon progression, and map exploration, reminiscent of Call of Duty Zombies. While they typically have simpler graphics and mechanics, they provide instant fun without downloads or subscriptions. Just search for Browser Zombie Survival to discover a variety of options. It is important to set clear expectations. Official Call of Duty Zombies titles are not designed for direct browser play. Cloud gaming provides the full, high-fidelity experience, but it comes with a subscription cost and requires a robust internet connection. Browser-based alternatives, while fun, will offer a simplified version of the game. Your overall experience will largely depend on your internet speed and the specific platform or game you choose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.